Now, here's the crazy part. Before, the only available option is the people who sent a message to your page. But before, people who sent a message to your page are low quality people. There's no way for them to be tagged as purchaser or lead. But ngayon, check this out. Meron nang nakalagay na people who made a purchase after messaging your page and people who became a lead after messaging your page. Now, what you will do is segment them. Segment them at the campaign starts. Nung start ng campaign mo. And then, use that audience for your remarketing campaign. And how you will do that, every time na nagra-run yung campaign mo, inside your business suite or messenger sa business page, tag them. Itag mo lang sila as paid or intake stage nila, itatag mo sila as qualified for those of you na nag-collect ng lead and converted. And if nagbayad na sila, always here, create an order and then make sure to mark that order as paid. And over time, lumulobo yung custom audience mo. And that's how Meta show your ads to people who are most likely to buy from you again and again.